Welcome back. Have you successfully installed Python and set up VS Code on your machine? In this lecture, we're going to write and run our very first Python program. This is a big moment. Let's start in VS Code. Step 1. Create a new file. You can do this by going to File, New File. I'm going to call mine hello.py. The .py extension is crucial. It tells the operating system and VS Code that this is a Python source code file. Then you click this blue line. I create a folder to contain the file. You click on the Create File button to create the file. Step 2. Write code. Now we're ready to write some code. As is tradition in programming, our first program will simply print the message hello, world, to the screen. Type the following single line of code. Print, hello world. In this line, print is a built-in function in Python. Functions are blocks of code designed to perform a specific task. And the text inside the parentheses, hello world, is the data we want that function to act upon, which is called an argument. Step 3. Make sure you save your file again after typing the code. Step 4. Now let's run it. In VS Code, open the integrated terminal. Before opening terminal, I will open the folder for the VS Code first. To open terminal, you go to the top menu, Terminal, and selecting New Terminal. To run the file, you type the command Python3 followed by the name of your file, hello.py, and press Enter. There it is. Hello world. You have successfully written and executed your very first Python program. Congratulations. This simple program demonstrates the basic structure of Python code. A file with a .py extension containing statements. In this case, one call to the print function. In our next lecture, 2.4, Comments, we will cover how to add explanatory notes to your code that the Python interpreter ignores. See you there.